In today's market, relying on manual downloads and copy and paste processes doesn't just cost time, it costs the accuracy of your decisions. Data delays and outdated information are risks your organization doesn't need to take. Meet the Feature Store add-in from ForIntelligence, a secure and scalable connection between one of the largest economic data repositories available and your company's analytical workflows. In this video, you'll learn how to access data directly from Excel using the ForIntelligence add-in. The first step is accessing the add-in and logging in with the email address registered on the ForIntelligence platform. Simply enter your credentials and confirm the login. Once connected, you'll have direct access to the Feature Store and all available data resources within Excel. Next, let's navigate to the Feature Store and select an indicator. Inside the indicator page, you'll find the series code associated with that dataset. Simply copy the series code you'll use in your analysis. This code will serve as the reference for retrieving data directly into Excel. To perform a bulk query, paste one or more series codes into your spreadsheet. Place the codes across the top row with each code occupying its own column. Then click the Feature Store Query button. The add-in processes the request and automatically retrieves the corresponding data for every selected series. This allows you to update multiple datasets simultaneously with just a few clicks. Another powerful way to explore available content is through the fs.list formula. This function returns the complete catalog of indicators available within the Feature Store. Today, that's more than 10,000 indicators covering economic, sectoral, and market data. With a single formula, you can browse the entire available dataset directly from Excel. To discover all available series related to an indicator, use the fs.getSer formula. Simply enter the indicator code, and the add-in returns all corresponding series. This makes it easy to understand the different transformations and frequencies available before extracting the data itself. It's also important to note that the first digits identify the indicator, while the remaining digits identify the specific series associated with it. As a result, a single indicator can contain many different analytical views and projections. The most important function in the add-in is fs.data. This formula retrieves historical data and projections directly into your spreadsheet. You can define parameters such as start date, end date, projection inclusion, and projection scenarios. Once configured, your spreadsheet becomes a dynamic connection to the Feature Store. Instead of rebuilding reports every time new information becomes available, you simply refresh the formulas and the data updates automatically. The add-in also helps users identify changes by highlighting updated values. This makes it easier to monitor revisions and understand exactly which series received new information since the previous update. For recurring analyses, this creates a reliable and highly efficient workflow that keeps your spreadsheets always connected to the latest available data. Finally, the fs.morp formula gives you access to your favorite groups inside the Feature Store. You can organize indicators and series into custom groups directly within the platform. Then, from Excel, retrieve those predefined collections instantly. The ForIntelligence add-in transforms Excel into a direct connection to the Feature Store. Access historical data, projections, and thousands of indicators without manual downloads or repetitive updates. Spend less time preparing data and more time generating insights.